Are you worried about staying on track with your keto diet during the holidays? Don't worry, we've got you covered with some festive keto hacks to help you stay in ketosis and enjoy the season. First, let's talk about the delicious holiday treats. Instead of indulging in sugary desserts, try making a keto-friendly version of your favorite sweets. There are plenty of recipes out there for low-carb cookies, cakes, and even keto-friendly hot chocolate. So you can satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your diet. Next up, let's tackle the holiday meals. When it comes to dishes like turkey or ham, you can enjoy them without any guilt. Just make sure to avoid the high-carb sauces and glazes. Stick with natural seasonings and use butter for added flavor. And don't forget about the veggies. Load up your plate with low-carb options like green beans, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower mash. Now let's address the holiday parties. A great strategy is to eat a satisfying, keto-friendly meal before you go. This way, you won't be as tempted to indulge in the high-carb snacks and appetizers. Also, be mindful of the alcohol you consume. Stick to low-carb options like vodka soda or dry wine and always drink in moderation. Lastly, let's talk about staying active during the holiday season. Take advantage of the beautiful winter weather and go for a walk or hike with your loved ones. It's a great way to burn off those extra calories and spend quality time together. Plus, staying active will help you stay on track with your keto goals. Remember, the holidays are about enjoying time with family and friends, not just about the food. Focus on the memories you make and the joy of the season. By following these keto hacks, you can have a festive and healthy holiday season. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more keto tips and tricks.